Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to look at Unit 8, Lesson 5. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to not only write the expressions, but translate. Translate means we're going to solve them. So here we have the expression, the sum of 16 and x. Sum means plus, so I'm going to do that first, and then 16 and x. So there's the expression written. But now I got a translator, I got to solve it. So if I come over here and I see x equals 12, I can put 12 where x was, and I can find out and solve that this is 28. Okay, the quotient, remember quotient means division, of 48 and a number. Well, 48, we know n is 8. So when I do 48 divided by 8, I get 6. Great job. All right, let's practice together. We have 7 being subtracted from K. Now remember, it's coming from K, so K has to be at the beginning, and we're subtracting 7. When K is 18, we subtract that 7, and we find out that it solves to 11. 4 more than 1/3 A. Now this has got a couple things going on. 1/3 A. That's not a really good A. Look, kind of looks like a 9. Let's make that better. Plus, because it says 4 more 4. So how do we do this? We're going to say 1/3. Remember when there's a variable right behind a number or fraction? It means multiply. So we're going to multiply it times 15. We're going to make it into a fraction plus 4. So here we get 15 times 1 is 15. Divided 3 times 1 is 3. So then we can go 15 divided by 3 is 5 plus the 4, and we find out our answer is 9. All right. Now, I want you to pause the video and then come back and see if you got these two right. Okay, the difference of twice are, and 5. Well, twice is times, so twice means 2r. Difference means minus 5. Okay, so if we know that 2r is 2 times 23 minus 5. Well, 2 times 23 is 46 minus 5 equals 41. Good job. Okay, the product, that means multiplication of 4 and x, we put it right by increase means plus y. Well, 4 times x is 9 plus y is 4. Well, 4 times 9 is 36 plus 4 equals 40. All right, now we're going to try to show that we understand this when we have an expression that applies to a real world situation. So there are 4 students absent in Miss Mala's homeroom. We're going to write an expression to represent the number of students present if there are S students in homeroom. Okay. Okay, so looking at the number of students, we know that there are a certain number of students that are normally in her class, but we know 4 are absent. So whatever the number of students are, minus the 4 that are absent, that's how many are present. So if there are 23 students when all are present, but 4 are absent, then we know out of the 23 students, 19 of them are present that day. Okay. Carl ran 8 miles last Saturday as part of his marathon training plan. Write an expression to represent the average number of miles that it took Carl to run each mile, or number of minutes, sorry, that it took Carl to run each mile if he completed the run in m minutes. Find his average of number of minutes per mile if he completed the run in 72 minutes. Okay, go ahead and pause this video and then try to work it out. This is a little trickier because it isn't a story problem. So think it through. All right, so you should have said whatever amount of minutes divided by 8. Okay, because we know that whatever, oh, not minutes, whatever number of minutes it took, he ran the 8 miles. Okay, so if he spent 72 minutes running and he went 8 miles, 72 divided by 8 is 9. So he gets 9 minutes per 1 mile. So there's that unit rate, right? All right. So that's the end of Unit 8, Lesson 5. I will see you back here for Unit 8, Lesson 6. Go ahead and head back to Classcraft and continue on your pathway.